Okay, so your nighttime regime, if you're adding in a retinol and you want to be slightly more aggressive, if you've got deeper lines and wrinkles, then we recommend Wrinkle Texture, or you can actually use a prescription-only Refissa product, which is a stronger retinol in itself. Again, putting it on, just be careful, don't use it every single day to start with because you will get redness and dryness. But remember, when you get redness and dryness on your skin from using a retinol product, that's actually quite normal. As you use it more often, your skin will get used to it and you will get just lovely, brighter results. You get reduction of the wrinkles, you get reduction of the oil production and a suppression of the pigment and melanin in your skin, because we all know that it's nice to have nice uniform coloured skin. That's why we put our foundation on. Okay, thanks.